Okay guys, let's go inside.
Wow, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Ikea has these beautiful poinsettias you can add to your Christmas decorations at home this season.
We have been craving for Ikea's Swedish meatballs for as long as I can remember, so dinner it is.
お食事やデザートと一緒にドリンクバーは
They also have assorted baked goods you can choose from, like croissants, cinnamon buns and other kinds of bread. Garlic bread, feta bread, dinner rolls, etc. They also serve soups. This one we're getting is the ginger barley soup. This is the condiments and beverage area. They have a variety of tea, juices and brewed coffee. It's Mommy's day off in the kitchen today, so our family's having Swedish dinner tonight. For dessert we had blueberry cheesecake and Dane chocolate cake. Now let's have a quick look around. This curtain has a nice style, has lots of character in it. The dining table is a yes for me. like somebody's been sleeping on it. For real. Love this pair of bedside lamps. We're now at the couch section. They have lots of nice throw pillow covers. It's so tempting. I really love neutral colors. Very classy, and for me it's a very calming color for our home. My heart is beating fast for this table. This table is set up nicely. Ikea's Real and Fox Greenery section. The kitchen items section. You can see here they have a lot of beautifully designed plates that'll suit any occasion. Oh, and of course the curtains section. The reason why we went here is to upgrade the curtains in our family room. I'll be posting that in another video soon, so please don't forget to check it out. So we will be taking a few pieces of these. This is the bistro area. All the things you see here are the items they also have in their restaurant menu. If you want to eat Ikea's meatballs at the comfort of your own home, without going to the store, you can buy it here. Gingerbread. A fun activity for your kids for Christmas. Cup ramen. Chocolates, gummy candies, nuts and other kinds of snacks. Ikea coffee blends. We're now at the end of our quick virtual tour. Don't forget to check out my other and upcoming videos, and please like, comment and subscribe if you liked my content. Thank you so much for watching.